Hello friends, I hope all are doing well. Today I chosen the topic for my lecture is President Rule in India. First of all, I would like to tell you this topic is very important and relevant for all of us. I will cover this topic in three parts: introduction, main body, and conclusion. First, I want to tell you why I chosen this topic because in our India, only one state have the presidency role, and it's called Manipur. And today I have the news about that state. So let's start without a delay. Introduction. What is presidential rule? Presidential rule, that means president get a control all over of the state. When state government is not doing a work properly, consider the constitution. And central government have the rights under the article 356. And here not only one article started, but how article change is there, how step by step imposed article on that state, and what exactly article said, I will deliver in the main body. So let's move toward main body. In the main body, firstly I want to tell you when imposed president's rule in any state. Whenever create violence, it's not internal, either external. Whenever not a majority in the election of any bodies, any parties. Whenever create a situation in the state assembly, like no one state assembly member follow the rules and laws of the constitution. Whenever state assembly ignore the order of the central government, whenever they not doing a work under the central government, and many time they broken the rules and laws of the constitution, that time central government or president have the power imposed presidency rule on that state. Let's see. In India, first time 20 June 1951 imposed a presidency rule on Punjab state, and total 134 time imposed a presidency rule until 2025. Let's see one by one the article how drive the presidency rule. First article 355. According by that article, center must be protect any state. This article say. Second article, article 365. If any state assembly, the state government ignore and broken the orders and law of the state government and the constitution, that time central government decided state machineries fail. And article 356 say president's rule imposed on that state. Means article 356 give rights to the president imposed that rules on that stage. Thereon all state assembly member suspended. Automatically it's suspended and all power get into the hand of the president, and they are imposed a presidency law. Next article 357. Article 357 say it's a give the rights to make a law and rules of that state to parliament and president. Both are made a law for the state. But why this article required? Either all power have the president, so how state doing a work, how state functioning, and for the right functioning, either state government all suspended, then parliament and president have the rights to make a law for that state. So that reason article 357 give right to the president and parliament. Parliament there have two houses, upper house, lower house, that means Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and it's a give right to them. Lok Sabha have 543 seats and Rajya Sabha have 245 seats. Both are voting in that parliament, in the chamber, and thereon they decided make a rule for that state. Let's see what amendment held in the article. I'm talking about that article which give rights to the president to impose the rules. That article 356. Yes, I'm talking about that article which give the lot of power before 1978. Before 1978, according by that article, all power have the president hand. That means no one state assembly asking question to the president. No time limit for the imposed law on that state. It's generate the misuse of that article. Thereon, Janata Party in the year of 1978, they did 44 amendment 1974 of Article 356, and they changed amendment the rules of the presidents, and they give the time limit maximum 3 year. Means president have the power imposed that article maximum 3 year. It's start from the 2 month. For an example, I give an example of the Manipur. Manipur, when president imposed the law, imposed its rule under the article 356, but president have the power only 2 months, and within 2 months, if a parliament doing a voting yes or no, that means president's law applicable yes or president's law applicable no for that state. Within 2 months, if the parliament say yes, thereon it's a continuously work for the 6 months only. And if a parliament say a parliament voting no, thereon automatically finished the presidency rules on that state and start the state assembly. So let's move toward the conclusion. As according by my personal opinion, this presidency law, it's a very helpful for any state, because whenever chief minister you resign, that time who's control the all state, and it's a save and doing a very functional for that state. Thank you so much friends who are listening carefully and watching this video. I hope that information very helpful for your upcoming examination. Thank you so much.